Okay guys, it's early morning here, and sadly two wee birds have flew into the greenhouse here. Obviously they couldn't see the glass. There's like a wee pair of chaffinches. Now one of them has obviously passed over in the spurt, and the other one, when we first came out this morning, it was laying on its back. It's now got up. So just want to tell you that, if you happen to see your wee birds hitting against the glass, it's best not to approach them. It's just to leave them as they are. It's in shock, and you can actually do more damage than good, and just hope that it recovers and is able to fly on. But basically just keep an eye out. If you have any cats in the area where you live, sometimes it's best to either keep an eye out for the cats, or maybe, as is in the last case, is actually picking the wee bird up and putting it inside a box with ventilation, keeping it away from noise and things like that. Put a wee bit of water in the box and then gently open up the box later. Okay, so awful sad. Oh, sadly it's still there. From here it looks as like it's still alive, but see, sadly they're all just going on the wee bird feeder, and obviously they're flying down that way there and hit the that's a sad thing, is it? And it's it is nature, so it's still sad to see a wee bird, or any animal that passes over in the spirit. But I just hope the other one's okay. Still sitting there. There's a part of me wondering, is it still thinking that this wee friend is lying there, doesn't want to leave it. Just leave it there anyway, and we'll have a wee look later. It's probably about, they're just flying away. Happy days. Oh, how magical was that, guys? You just got to see the wee fantastic this wee one here wasn't too sad. This one here wasn't too lucky, bless it. Don't get too emotional about death, because this is just his wee body. Had a wee spirit within it, just like us humans. And when we pass over, we actually, we're going to put it, when we actually pass over, the spirit, I like to think, or the spirit within us, get to go to a different place, a different dimension. Put that wee thing there. And obviously we insects and mice and rats will make use of its body. So here's what happens, you see, they're all just flying about, and come from the tree there. You see all the boys up there now. You know, they'd be no different from humans. At the end of the day, they would know if they're friends. And obviously just flew there. So there you go, guys. Thanks very much for watching. This morning, say it must have probably been 40 minutes ago. It's sad to see the wee one passed over and the other one was looking down on his back. But you know, positive has come out of it. So if you happen to see any birds hitting your window, with a lot of them are young ones and they're not able to see, especially the sunshine, no sunshine this morning. But basically, they can't see the glass and they just fly into them. Don't necessarily run over and pick them up. Observe them and, you know, keep an eye out for any cats and things like that. And just give them a bit of space, a bit of time, and they will come round. And at least one of them made it. There you go, guys. Send you love from Ireland. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe, and you could check me out on Facebook and on Twitter, and give the video a wee thumbs up. Catch you later, guys.